Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Tech Explorer's channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology. Today we have something truly special, new tech gadgets to share with you. Get ready to illuminate your space like never before with the Yeelight Cube Smart Lamp, a modular, customizable, and interactive lighting experience that goes beyond ordinary illumination. The Yeelight Cube is designed for ultimate flexibility. With magnetic interconnections between modules, you can effortlessly rotate each cube 360 degrees, giving you endless possibilities for arrangement and positioning. Its unique circular data transmission ring design ensures that every module not only lights up your space, but also communicates seamlessly with the others. Whether you need focused light or a full room ambiance, the Yeelight Cube adapts to your needs. Gaming just got a lot more immersive. Integrated with Razer Chroma and Overwolf, the Cube senses and visualizes your gaming mood or on-screen activity in real time. Prepare yourself for an epic gaming odyssey where your environment reacts to your every move. The Cube collaborates with desktop applications to capture real-time shifts in desktop color, transforming these into dynamic light and shadow effects. It's not just a lamp, it's an extension of your screen that enhances your interactive experience. With 3 different types of Cube lights, you can freely assemble your perfect lighting setup. Whether you need practical functionality like clock mode or want to sync your lights dynamically with music, games, and your screen, the Yeelight Cube has you covered. Convenience is at your fingertips with a touch switch for effortless light adjustments. Plus, with Matter compatibility, you can integrate the Cube into your smart home ecosystem and control it directly from your favorite apps. Choose from a stunning palette of 16 million colors to create the perfect ambiance. With DIY graffiti and unique lighting effects, the Yeelight Cube lets you personalize your space like never before. The Yeelight Cube Smart Lamp isn't just about lighting, it's about creating an experience. Why settle for just shade when you can have so much more? Introducing the Elise Active Cooling Umbrella, where sturdy meets stylish and superior design meets ultimate comfort. Say goodbye to sweltering summer heat. The Elise umbrella isn't just an ordinary umbrella, it's a sleek solution to keep you cool and comfortable no matter the weather. With its expansive shade and innovative cooling technology, the Elise redefines what an outdoor umbrella can do. What makes the Elise truly unique? It's the first umbrella with a large diameter fan seamlessly housed within a slim, stylish frame. Our groundbreaking electromechanical fan blade locking system powers fan blades that deliver a refreshing breeze, keeping you perfectly cool even in the hottest, most humid conditions. Choose from a variety of models to match your style and needs. The St. Martin model features a sleek aluminum frame with a polished finish, while the Antigua model offers a wood grain finish for a more natural look. For commercial spaces, the Barbados model comes with a square canopy and 4 powerful fans, making it the ideal choice for larger outdoor areas. The Elise umbrella opens up a whole new world of outdoor comfort. Imagine enjoying not just shade, but a personalized ocean-inspired breeze, all with the touch of a button. Fans operate at up to 2,200 revolutions per minute with 15-degree fan blades, ensuring maximum airflow and keeping you cool even on the hottest summer days. Convenience is key with the Elise umbrella's easy fold mechanism, making setup and storage a breeze. Available in elegant navy blue and cast mist, every model blends seamlessly into any outdoor setting, adding both functionality and style. Why just block the sun when you can create a cool, comfortable oasis? Meet Ambient One, the portable air quality tracker crafted by creators for creators. Designed to help you keep your air clean and boost your health and well-being, Ambient One tracks more than 4 pollutants in real time, ensuring you're always breathing the best air possible. Air pollution isn't always visible, and dangerous pollutants often hide in plain sight. That's where Ambient One comes in. Unlike other products, Ambient One strives to monitor the full spectrum of air pollution, giving you a complete understanding of what's in your air and the power to take swift action. At the heart of Ambient One are best-in-class Swiss-made sensors, specifically designed to detect the 4 key pollutants often found in creative spaces. Whether you're a carpenter, glass blower, or working from home, your environment has a significant impact on your indoor air quality and ultimately, your health. Ambient One quickly spots any rise in pollution levels and encourages you to take immediate action. No more guessing or worrying about what's in the air. With Ambient One, you have the tools to discover exactly which activities and pollutants are harmful, helping you to improve your air quality now. The same data captured at home versus in a ceramic studio might have very different consequences for your health. That's why Ambient One's patent-pending AI-powered system is designed to help you understand the specific risks in your unique environment so you can take control of your air quality and protect your health. Take the guesswork out of clean air. With Ambient One, you're not just tracking air quality, you're empowering yourself to create a healthier, safer environment wherever you are. Breathe easy, create freely, and stay healthy with Ambient One. Introducing Disk Plus, the ultra-slim, ultimate data solution for your daily tech needs. Designed with inspiration from Bauhaus, Disk Plus isn't just a storage device, it's a statement in sleek, minimalistic design. Disk Plus is the perfect data storage and backup companion for your work, the sleekest data library for your gaming, and the most streamlined data hub for your content creation, whether you're streaming, vlogging, or filming. Crafted with a CNC aluminum alloy body, Disk Plus embodies a clean, minimalistic, and premium design. At just 0.24 inches thin, about the size of a card holder, it effortlessly slips into your pocket and attaches to your device almost invisibly. This is extreme portability redefined. Powered by USB 3.2 Gen 2 and the Realtek RTL 9210 chip, Disk Plus delivers a superb data transfer experience with speeds up to 10 GB per second. Whether you're transferring vital work files, loading up AAA games, or saving your latest content masterpiece, Disk Plus ensures instant read-write performance. But there's more. Disk Plus features an innovative power port supporting PD 100 watts, so you can charge your Apple, Mac OS, Steam Deck, ROG Ally, Samsung, Google Pixel, and other Android devices while you work, play, or create, eliminating battery anxiety for good. With its magnetic attachment design, Disk Plus secures a steady connection with your devices, ensuring seamless data management and power supply without interruptions. Disk Plus, your ultra-slim, premium data solution. Effortlessly manage, store, and back up your data while charging your devices on the go. Experience the future of data storage with Disk Plus. Welcome to the future of smart living with Haptik HRS90, the universal remote that puts total control of your smart home right at your fingertips. Say goodbye to the clutter of multiple remotes and apps and hello to a seamless, user-friendly experience that anyone can master. HRS90 is more than just a remote, it's a standalone IoT system that works flawlessly with third-party IP integrations. Whether at home, in the office, or anywhere you need it, Haptik can control every electronic device with ease. Bringing back the power of physical buttons with advanced haptic technology, Haptik gives you that satisfying tactile feedback you've been missing. Unlike touchscreens, buttons provide a tangible sense of control and reassurance, making every interaction reliable and intuitive. With infrared, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth built in, Haptik doesn't just work with smart hubs or controllers, it replaces them. Designed after thoroughly reviewing every user interface out there, Haptik brings a custom UI that's both powerful and incredibly easy to use. Created by AV professionals who understand the frustration of managing multiple devices, Haptik offers a fully customizable UI. Switch between rooms, control multiple devices from a single screen, and set up your smart home just the way you like it, quickly and without the hassle of additional page changes. Supporting an ever-expanding list of third-party IP integrations, Haptik is future-proof, ready to grow and adapt with your smart home. It's more than a remote, it's your all-in-one control hub. Simplify your smart home experience with Haptik HRS90, the universal remote that's designed to be as smart as your home and as easy to use as your favorite remote. Control everything. Introducing the Bissell Little Green Hydro Steam Pet Portable Carpet Cleaner, your ultimate companion for tackling the toughest pet messes and set-in stains with ease. Whether it's sticky spills on carpets, stubborn spots on sneakers, or deep-seated pet odors, the Little Green Hydro Steam is here to make your home cleaner and fresher than ever before. Powered by Hydro Steam technology, this portable cleaner is designed to clean messes up to 50% better. With 3 versatile cleaning modes, it adapts to every mess, making it perfect for everything from pet accidents to everyday dirt on carpets, upholstery, stairs, and even auto interiors. Pair it with Bissell Pet Pro Oxy Spot and Stain Urine Eliminator with Stain Protect formula to not only remove those stubborn pet stains and smells, but also protect your surfaces from future messes. And here's a game changer: quick drying. Your upholstery is dry and ready to use in about 25 minutes, so you can get back to enjoying your clean home sooner. From tile and grout to sneakers, this cleaner is as versatile as you need it to be. But it's not just about cleaning. When you purchase a Bissell product, you're also supporting the Bissell Pet Foundation in their mission to save homeless pets. It's a cleaner home and a better world for our furry friends. Introducing the Master Forge, a groundbreaking input device that redefines what a keyboard can be in the digital age. It's not just a tool, it's a revolution in how you interact with your technology. The Master Forge boldly steps away from traditional typing to offer a hybrid input system like no other. Whether you're typing individual characters or chording entire words and phrases, this device empowers you to achieve speeds that are impossible on any other keyboard. Experience unparalleled flexibility, type at lightning speed, react faster, and reduce finger travel. The Master Forge gives you more input possibilities at your fingertips than ever before. It's not just a keyboard. The Master Forge merges the functionalities of a keyboard, mouse, and game controller into one sleek device. Whether you're coding, gaming, or designing, this device adapts to your every need. For developers, this means faster typing with reduced physical and mental strain. The Master Forge seamlessly integrates with autocomplete features, bending every development environment to your unique workflow. With blind one-handed access to every input, your dominant hand is free to navigate your mouse, drawing tablet, or any other specialized device, creating an uninterrupted, efficient workflow. The Master Forge's 3D input capabilities allow you to react quicker, work faster, and reduce repetitive strain by balancing the load across fingers, thumbs, and both hands. It's a design that prioritizes your comfort without compromising on performance. Built with a platinum Charatorter engine core and clad in an aerospace-grade aluminum exoskeleton, the Master Forge is as durable as it is powerful. Its dovetail railing system allows for endless customization with electromechanical bolt-ons, adapting to any scenario. Create your own decentralized command center, or bring everything together with its built-in USB hub functionality. The Master Forge isn't just a tool, it's an extension of yourself, designed to elevate your digital mastery. Thank you for watching. If you're excited about what you saw as we are, make sure to check out the links in the description to learn more and get yours today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tech updates. See you next time, Tech Explorers.